Hello and welcome to my latest Excel Power Tips video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic drop-down where you don't have to worry about name ranges, no formulas, and you don't have to worry about VBA either. So here we have a list of items going from baby food all the way down to vegetables. So the old way of creating a drop-down will be if say cell that's highlighted in yellow is going to contain the drop-down is you go into data, then you go into data validation, then data validation again, and in the data validation dialog you need to click on list for the allow, and for the source you click on this little icon there, and then you select the items from the list which is going to be members of the drop down. Click on the icon again and then click on OK. So the yellow cell contains the drop down, which is good, baby food all the way down to vegetables. But the problem with this is it's not dynamic. If I add a new item to the list, say computers, will that appear on the drop down? No, it doesn't. So how do we make this list dynamic? First of all, if you go back into data validation and then remove the list and then go back to selecting any value, click on OK. Then you click on any cell within the list and either press Ctrl T to bring the create table dialog box, or alternatively you can select that in from the menu insert then table, and that also brings up the same dialog box, create table. Make sure that the my table has headers checkbox is checked. Click on OK. Now you'll see that the item list is now banded, which shows that Excel is storing it as a table. So without having to worry about name ranges or formulas, go back into the cell drop down. The other thing you need to do is find out what the name of the table is. In this case, because I already created some tables before, Excel has named this table as table 5. And also the other thing you need to take into account is that the header of the table, the field name is item, which is this cell A1 highlighted in blue. So if you go back into the cell drop down in yellow, click on the data tab, data validation, then data validation again. Again, we click on list, and for the source, we need to type this. We need to use the indirect function, open brackets, and in quotes, the name of the table which we saw earlier, which was table 5, and then square brackets with no spaces in between, the header or the field name of the table, which is item. Then square brackets again, and then finish it off with quotes, and click on OK. So going back to the cell drop down, it has the same list as before, baby food. This time we've added computers, but it is now totally dynamic as well, because if you add a new item to the list, say keyboard, does it appear on the drop down? Yes, it does. So it's totally dynamic. So this is a quick and fast, efficient way of creating a cell drop down. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon on the next one.